The Dark Night of the Soul, a spiritual guide. My friends, seekers of light, have you ever felt utterly lost, adrift in a sea of despair, even after years of spiritual practice? This, my dears, may be the dark night of the soul. It's a profound and often disorienting period of spiritual transformation. It's not a punishment, but a purification, a necessary stripping away of the ego's illusions. Think of it as the soul shedding its old skin, preparing for a new dawn. This experience can manifest in many ways. You might feel a deep sense of meaninglessness, a loss of faith, or a disconnection for everything you once held dear. Know that you are not alone. The Dark Night isn't a single event, but a process. It unfolds in stages, each with its own unique challenges and opportunities for growth. Understanding these stages can help you navigate this difficult terrain. First comes the dissatisfaction stage. The things that once brought you joy no longer satisfy. You begin to question everything, including your spiritual path. Next, the cleansing stage. This is where the ego's attachments are challenged. Old beliefs and patterns are brought to the surface to be examined and released. Then, the void stage. This can be the most challenging. You may feel empty, lost, and without direction. It's a time of deep surrender and trust. Finally, the illumination stage. As you release the old, space is created for the new. You begin to experience moments of clarity, peace, and connection. How do you know if you're experiencing the dark night? The signs can be subtle, but they are always present. Pay attention to your inner landscape. A persistent feeling of sadness or despair, despite your best efforts to feel better. A loss of interest in activities you once enjoyed. A sense of isolation and disconnection from others. Increased self-doubt and questioning of your worth. A feeling of being lost and without purpose. All potential indicators. Remember, it's not about diagnosing yourselves. It's about recognizing the possibility and approaching yourself with compassion. The dark night can feel overwhelming, but it's not insurmountable. There are tools and practices that can help you navigate this challenging period. Be patient and kind to yourself. First, embrace the darkness. Don't resist the feelings that arise. Allow yourself to feel the pain, the sadness, the anger. Practice self-compassion. Treat yourself with the same kindness and understanding you would offer a dear friend. Remember, you are going through a difficult process. Connect with nature. Spend time in the natural world. Let the beauty and peace of nature soothe your soul. Engage in creative expression. Write, paint, dance, sing. Allow your emotions to flow through you in a healthy and constructive way. Seek support from trusted friends, family, or a spiritual mentor. Talking about your experience can help you feel less alone. Self-care is essential during this time. It's not selfish, it's necessary. You cannot pour from an empty cup. Prioritize sleep. Get enough rest. Your body and mind need time to heal and rejuvenate. Eat nourishing foods. Fuel your body with healthy, whole foods. Avoid processed foods and sugary drinks. Engage in gentle exercise. Move your body in a way that feels good. Walking, yoga, or swimming can be helpful. Limit your exposure to negative influences. Avoid toxic people, negative news, and social media overload. Even in the darkest of nights, there is always a spark of light within you. It may be dim, but it's always there. Nurture that spark. Practice gratitude. Focus on the things you are grateful for, even the small things. Gratitude can shift your perspective and bring you back to the present moment. Meditate or pray. Connect with your inner self or with a higher power. Meditation and prayer can bring you peace and clarity. Focus on service. Helping others can take your mind off your own troubles and give you a sense of purpose. Remember your strengths. Recall times when you overcame challenges in the past. You are stronger than you think. The dark night of the soul is not an ending, but a beginning. It's an opportunity for profound transformation and growth. Embrace the journey. As you emerge from the darkness, you will be stronger, wiser, and more compassionate. You will have a deeper understanding of yourself and the world around you. You will be more authentic, more aligned with your true purpose. You will be a beacon of light for others who are struggling. Trust the process. Know that you are being guided and supported every step of the way. You are not alone. The dark night is a gift, a sacred initiation into a deeper level of consciousness. Embrace it with courage and grace. You are loved. You are worthy. You are on your path.